Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Unity LTS is installed and you have the exact SDK for your headset or phone. Once done, enable XR Plugin Management and import AR Foundation or XR Interaction Toolkit so Unity exposes tracking and input. Next, create a Focus 3D project, add the device SDK package, and replace the main camera with the XR camera rig. This gives you tracked position and rotation. Make sure to configure build target and minimum API levels so the device recognizes your app. Now you build the game logic that interacts with real space. Create anchors for persistent placement and use spatial mapping to detect surfaces so virtual objects sit correctly. Then wire XR input, actions, raycasts, and grab interactions so players can manipulate objects naturally. At the same time, apply physics colliders and predictable object states to prevent jitter. Because performance matters, optimize meshes and shaders, reduce draw calls, and test tracking latency. Doing that early prevents awkward interactions later. Finish by configuring build settings for your platform, choosing the correct scripting backend and permissions so sensors work. You should deploy iterative builds to real devices, test tracking, input, and user comfort, then collect logs and telemetry for crashes or spikes. Once stable, finalize assets, sign the build, and publish. If things go wrong, first check device logs and XR provider status. Often reinstalling the device runtime or toggling XR plugin settings resolves tracking or build failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.